Okay, here we have my favorite style of loading. Side loading. Let's freaking scoop the dirt, dude. Side loading is so nice. It's a little more dangerous because you can swing over the cab, right? You gotta be careful. But it's super nice, super efficient. Just freaking get her done. Just freaking load her up to the tits button. I like loading the back a little bit because you can get a little bit more up on there. And then fulfill the rest of the order. The order. One more. Da-dum, dum, dum, da-da-dum. Thank you, Jesus. Jill just laughed. Mint. And that's that, dude. Side load. Big side loader, but filled it right up, buddy.